Cominform control of the East. In 1947 the tension grew between East and West, each split in view. The Cold War deepened, their relationship gone, and Stalin acted to hold power on. Led by Joseph Stalin, strict and firm, he feared the West and its influence term. The causes first, why was it made? The USA had offered financial aid. If people took the America's side as they helped the West rebuild with pride, Stalin saw this as a threat. With Europeans in America's debt, Stalin wanted unity across his sphere to keep all Eastern governments clear. The system formed to guide and direct was Cominform created to inspect, a group to link communist parties tight, ensuring they followed Moscow's line right. Leaders would meet and shared their plan, spreading communism where they can. No opposition, no different way, all must follow what Moscow would say. When Joseph Broz Tito stepped out of line, refusing control and Soviet design, he was expelled and the warning was clear. Independent thought wouldn't be tolerated here. Consequences followed, strong and wide, tied to control on the eastern side. Governments loyal, opposition gone, communist rule was firmly drawn, but tensions grew with the Eastern Bloc, each side viewing the other with shock. International relations declined as trust was lost and sides aligned. The world was split more than before into rival camps ready for more. So Cominform helped Stalin maintain control but deepened the Cold War as a whole.